Welcome to Knotty Devil Creations. This past weekend, I had to go to Wisconsin for a wedding, so when I got back, I saw this pin blank, kind of that Green Bay Packer-ish color going on. So, kind of lightly inspired. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I will catch you at the end of the video. As you see, this pin actually turned out pretty nice. I was kind of surprised on how nice it turned out. So don't forget to leave me a suggestion down in the comment section down below. See what we can do to make something happen for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the next video if you want to keep watching. Catch you next time.